make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing.
Good morning and welcome if you're new, and if you're not, welcome back to my channel. We're back on it. Today is Wednesday though, only because I didn't work Monday. I don't work on Mondays, and then Tuesday I didn't have any clients on the schedule, so today is Wednesday. So I'm on my way in. I had 3 clients on the schedule for today, and I do have clothes on. I had 3 clients on the schedule today. One of them just rescheduled, so now I just have 2. And I think I just have 2, what do I have today? 2 light volume fills, I think. I had to double check, but I believe so. All right, so we are here, and I survived all this rain. It came down like really heavy. I wasn't even expecting that. So I've got my brushes washed for Friday, which Friday I'm going to be doing makeup for young teen moms at their school to just like lift their spirits up. They're doing like a Mother's Day kind of celebration for them. I was a teen mom, and I know how much it takes away from your childhood. I know how hard it is. I know how stressful it is. And luckily I had a great support system, so I was able to get through it and raise my son beautifully, might I add. He's a great kid, and he's in college now, and going to be a physical therapist. So I'm very proud of him, and I'm very proud of myself. But, you know, as a teen, you don't have to put yourself through all of that, raising a child and also trying to grow up yourself, because I grew up with my child, and that comes with a lot of challenges. And so the challenges that you can avoid, but if it happens, it happens. It's there. You got to deal with the consequences, lay in the bed that you made, and do a damn good job while you're doing it. So anyway, right now I am going to make my coffee. And then for breakfast, I'm just gonna have some yogurt and granola. And you guys, we are in my office. Only thing about it is that I can hear next door very clearly, which I kind of forgot about because I haven't been in this room by myself for a long time, but that's okay. I'm enjoying it. And yeah, we're gonna have breakfast and coffee.
I'm sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake, play the game. Should've never given it away. No, I didn't mean to.
Alright, so the last time y'all saw me, I was eating lunch, and I am done for the day. I'm about to run into Ulta, and all I really need is another eyeshadow palette, a bronzer palette, and maybe some lipsticks and lip gloss. So we'll see, but this is going to be just to add to my makeup kit, so come with me. All right, so I had to get in and out because there was too much going on in there. There we go. Too much going on in there, and sometimes when I'm distracted, I'm easily, you know, gonna put more in my cart than I need to, so I needed to focus, girl. So I got this really pretty Morphe palette, and it's called Lunarius, I think. It's so pretty though. Let me open it. Let's open. There was one thing that I did put back, and it was a About Face liquid eyeshadow, and it's so pretty, so I will be going back to get that, but I don't need that for this week, so it would have been an unnecessary purchase. I'm trying to cut all of that out, so ooh. this was really pretty. I really love this. So I think this will be beautiful. Beautiful to add to my kit. And then I got the e.l.f. primer, Power Grip primer, and then the spray. I haven't tried the spray, but I did like how it was, that it says it's dewy. I don't have any dewy sprays in my kit. I have illuminating one, I have a matte one, and then just a regular kind of like satin finish. So dewy was nice to add to the collection. Then I got a Juvia's Place blush palette in Blushed Rouge, I think. And I thought these were just beautiful. Got that. Hopefully nobody's watching me. And then lastly, put these back. And lastly, I got a Juvia's Place bronzer palette in Deep Dark. I was gonna get the dark, but then when I looked at the dark, I felt like it wasn't dark enough. I'm gonna be doing a various shades of women, but even the Deep Dark, like, it's not anything crazy. So this will be nice for a bronzer. Deep Dark. And that was it. So that is it for today's video. Well, that is it for this portion of the video. I will catch you guys tomorrow, and I'm gonna record through the rest of the week. It is Mother's Day weekend. Maybe I'll record what I do for my Mother's Day. Good morning and happy Friday. Today is going to be a bit of a busy day. I have 2 clients in the spa. One at 8 o'clock and one at 9:45. I'm tired. I look tired. I'm going to be slapping some makeup on, just a little bit of makeup on, before I head out, because as I discussed with you guys before, I am going to a high school to do makeup for young teen moms. Myself and another makeup artist that I recruited. And yeah, I'm a little bit I'm not in such a great mood today, but we're gonna fix that. We're gonna turn it around, so that I can give off good energy to the girls later. I mean, to all my girls, but especially for later. They don't need my negative energy, that's for sure. So some more spoolies. This is a small order. Micro swabs. Some. See, I'm missing an order. 2 lash trays. I'm definitely missing some things. A couple of lash trays. So I gotta go check my Amazon for that. I'm gonna put these away and we're gonna prep for my first day.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. Is my secret safe? Safe with just you and me. We can leave.
I have my stuff all packed and ready to go after my last client. I just have to take my ring light, and I already have my chair in the car. So this is my train case and my bag, keys. I also just have to stop at probably just CVS. I'm gonna grab some lashes. I have some in my train case already. Alexa, pause. But I like to have like a couple different styles and options. And I'm not really for sure if we're doing lashes on them, only because we have a huge time crunch, so we'll see. And y'all, look at my lashes. There's this whole gap right here and a gap right there. I'm not gonna have time, I don't think I will have time to fix it, even just for that small gap. So we're gonna just roll with it and, you know, whatever. But like I said, I am gonna throw some makeup on so I can look alive. I have a black sweatshirt in my car that I think I'm gonna wear, because I did tell the girl who I'm working with that we're gonna wear all black today. I just think it's professional looking. So I'm most likely gonna throw that sweatshirt on and spruce up, you know, just freshen up my face a little bit.
This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song.
Good morning and happy Saturday. Happy Saturday. So, as you guys saw yesterday, we did the girls' makeup at the school. I had such a good time, and my helper was really amazing. I appreciate her for coming out. She did a great job. So today, what we have on the schedule, today is going to be like a real chill day. I have a facial, and that appointment is going to be with my son, so that'll be fun. And after his facial, I have a brow lamination, and then I have a light volume lash fill. So we have a pretty decent day today, nothing crazy. It'll be a fun day, and then I'm gonna enjoy my Saturday.
Are you coming soon to me? I'm getting impatient. Oh, look at what you do to me. Our secret's safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Got a hunger, she don't need to know what's going on. It won't be on for long. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes.